Sometimes losing weight can be difficult, but some detox drinks for weight loss can be just the edge you need. These homemade beverages have shown to be more reliable and safe compared to chemical drugs and methods for weight loss. Homemade weight loss drinks are natural alternatives, which will help you losing weight without any health risks. Fruit juices and sports drinks can add hundreds of unnecessary calories to your diet, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and lead to weight gain. Certain natural drinks can help you do the opposite, like increase your metabolism and stabilize blood sugars. So here are some of the best drinks to include in your diet. Number 1. Lemon and ginger tea. Ginger contains an active compound that helps to prevent various gut problems such as gas, diarrhea, stomach upset, and also helps to alleviate joint pain and migraine. Ginger has antioxidants properties that can help prevent cardiovascular damage and other stressors that come with being overweight. Ginger has the potential to improve blood sugar levels and reduce bad cholesterol. Some research also suggests that drinking ginger water before meals can help your belly feel full. A 4-week study found that people who consume ginger tea had significant reductions in body weight and significant improvements in HDL, good cholesterol. One study in 10 overweight men found that when they drank 2 grams of ginger powder dissolved in hot water with breakfast, they experienced increased fullness and decreased hunger, compared to days when no ginger tea was consumed. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C, has antioxidant activity, boosts immunity and regulates body weight. 2. Vegetable juice. Fruit juice may be high in sugar, but vegetable juice is a great low-calorie drink. Many people know that veggie juice is full of vitamins and nutrients that are vital to overall health. But researchers have also found that people who drink a lot of veggie juice end up increasing their vegetable consumption and eat less carbs. Both of those habits could help a person lose weight. Carrot juice is one of the superfoods for weight loss because carrots are low in calories and rich in fiber. Having a glass full of carrot juice will keep you full till lunch, thereby stopping you from binging on unwanted snacks. As carrots are high in vitamins and minerals, you not only get the essential nutrients, but also avoid gaining extra calories. Bitter gourd is also a great food for weight loss, though most of us don't like the taste. But this miracle vegetable is low in fats and carbohydrates, making it the perfect food for weight loss. The wonder vegetable also stimulates the liver to secrete gall acids that are required for curtailing body fat. This food helps you get rid of acne, blemishes and skin infections and gives you a healthy and glowing skin. Another fat loss juice to include in your diet is cucumber juice. Cucumbers are low in calories and rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers. Having a glass of cucumber juice can fill you up easily, thereby making it a great meal filler food. For optimum results, it is recommended to drink these juices on an empty stomach or at morning. 3. Apple vinegar. Apple vinegar contains acetic acid, a compound that stimulates weight loss by decreasing insulin levels, suppressing appetite and burning fat. Animal studies have shown that acetic acid can prevent weight gain and decrease fat accumulation in the belly and liver. Another study in 144 obese adults demonstrated that drinking a daily beverage containing 2 tablespoons of vinegar per day resulted in significant reductions in body weight, waist circumference and belly fat compared to a placebo group.